Hello, the topic today is pulling credit within Autodeals. And so you may have a business that requires you to collect credit applications from customers and possibly evaluate the customer's credit. So in Autodeals, we have a couple different suppliers that can provide credit for you, Equifax, TransUnion, Experian. And so we have relationships with them. We'd be glad to connect you with them as a referral. And then once you have been established with them, we will turn on a button and you'll be able to access it very easily. So in the messaging CRM, I'm in the contact record Fred Flintstone. And on the regular contact view, in that menu, there's something called credit request. And you could select that if you have the proper rights. And then all the information that you have available for that customer will be populated in that credit request view. And in this case, we're demoing the 700 credit interface. And you can choose which bureau it is. And if they have PINs, you can put in that information. You can select that to pull credit. And then the credit request will be available here in the menu list. So it's very easy. And then that credit report will be available for you under the deal area, where we have the buyer information, and that information would be available here for you too. So it eliminates duplicates and going through the challenge of having multiple managers pulling credit more than once on a customer. In the Autodeals software, you don't have to worry about that because it will be very evident in every contact record and every deal when you have already pulled credit. So, and we also keep the history of all the credit pulls for that particular customer. So it's very robust and is very easy to add credit pulling to your business. Thank you so much.